Hey everybody, PJ Gannon back. I haven't done any videos in a while. I had to move like twice in 10 months, but I'm gonna take the recoil down the street to the St. Lucie River, give it a little bit of a run. I'm taking it on the Suzuki. It's not very far, but just wanted you to see that I had to move for the second time, and that was very exciting to say the least. But here I am, and I got lucky to the fact that I have a major waterway just down the street. So I'm going to run the recoil for the last time on the 32C 4S lipo battery. And then I promise you after this, I will get the 50C lipo 4S, and I'll start doing some better videos on the recoil jumping, stuff like that. But for now, this is all I got. So let's take a little trip down to the street to the St. Lucie River and video the recoil. I also got a tripod for Christmas, so I think the cell phone on the tripod might take some really good video of the Pro Boat. Because I tried doing this the other day by myself, and well, it's basically impossible to videotape and run an RC boat at the same time, unless you have it attached to your body, which I do not. Hello. So right down the street here is the St. Lucie River, and that's where I'm going to run the recoil for a little bit. Just out of pure luck that the house I'm in now happens to have a major waterway that connects directly to the ocean. So I did not plan this, it just ended up working out that way. Alright, oh, I just missed a boat. That would have been great to show you how the pre-boat can jump boat wakes pretty damn good. Alright, I think this is a pretty good spot, if any. I'm actually going to keep the Suzuki running. I'm having some battery issues with it, so hopefully it'll charge the battery a little bit. So all I got to do is turn the boat on, and it'll be good. Alright, here's the receiver. Got that. Take out this. Alright, unscrew. I didn't screw it too tight, but I gotta turn the boat on. So just bear with me there for a second. So while I do that. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright, as you can see, that's 4S, 2300 kV motor. I'm sorry, it's a 30C 4S lipo battery. Eventually I will get the 50C, okay? But I just needed some more time to do that. But it still runs pretty good, but I'm telling you, when I get that 4S lipo with the 50C, this boat's gonna fly. and that'll be fun. But until then, this is what I got. You know, maybe in a couple weeks or something, I can get the 50C battery for us. And like I mentioned, Funky Cold Medina in the past, he's helped me out tremendously, and he was right that I mean, yes, you can run a 6S lipo battery in here, but it runs too hot, and I think 4S is perfect for this boat. It really is. I mean, you can always go crazy with these boats, and that's half the journey. That's what's fun about it. Getting a stock boat and making it as fast as you can. But I'm very comfortable running 4S. I mean, I hit my goal. I wanted to get a stock boat, learn as much as I can. Funky Cold Medina helped me out tremendously. So I've learned a lot in the journey. It's all about the journey. And I've had a pretty good time so far. I really have. And so here we go. Alright, bear with me. I got the boat in one hand and the cell phone in the other. So, alright, the boat is on. Let me get the receiver, and I have this thing right here, which I'm kind of hoping that the the cell phone sits pretty good on that, so you can see. Which I will bring this just in case to make sure that everything's good. I wish I had two hands here, but I don't. So we're gonna go over to this boat dock right here. Oh, there's another boat. Let me see if I can get it out there, guys. There's another boat coming. Okay. Might be perfect. All right, guys. See that? I'll try and keep it in the frame of the cell phone. All right, this is full throttle right here. And I'll do one more full throttle. Wow. I'm sorry, that was half throttle. I don't know if I can keep it in the water at full throttle. But it is a nice area. There's another full throttle. So the boat's running pretty good. The circulation of the water to the motor and the electric speed control system is working very well. Let me see if I can show you. See that water spurting out? That's perfect. That means everything's cooling down good. That's half throttle, guys. Half throttle. There's full throttle. Wow. Now, if this boat coming up, oh, that was a close one. If this boat coming up takes a left in here, I might just be able to jump the wake and show you what I'm talking about. Oh my God. Yeah, there we go. Okay. There's a boat coming right now. So, let me see if I can jump the wake and show you what I'm talking about. And I'm going to go around it and have it go towards me. Alright, here we go, guys. You ready? See that? Here's another one. So it jumps wakes great. Woo! There we go. Perfect, 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 perfect. There we go. You ready? You ready? All right. It's actually helping me out. Look at that. Holy shit. I almost hit it. I almost took it out in a boat dock. But I saved it right at the last minute. I think he's coming back around again to see me jump the wake. So I'll wait for him for a second. He's coming back for me. I'm going to do a pretty good jump here. Full throttle it, guys. I'm going to full throttle it. Here we go. Woo! Awesome. Oh, nice. I'm telling you, this recoil can jump wakes like there's no tomorrow. And one more full throttle speed for you. Alright, here we go. Full throttle. And I can't keep that up too much because it's almost uncontrollable at that point. Here's another full throttle. And one more. Holy sh! Now that just went underwater, guys. So, I didn't tape it. That means it's time to come in. I didn't tape the hatch like an idiot. But, did you see that go under? That completely went underwater like a submarine. Alright, I'll be right back. Put this baby up here. get my phone. Hope that came out okay. See, am I still taping? Fantastic. Alright, that last one, the boat literally went under about, a foot of water, like a submarine. And I don't know if you saw that until I looked back at it. But that was pretty cool. That guy actually came back with his boat and let me jump his wake a few more times. But as far as water goes, wait until you see this. Because I can feel the water popping out. I can tell you that right now. Okay. Alright. That is a lot of water. I can almost, I can't even hold the boat, guys. Alright, I gotta let this water out. It's extremely heavy. And thanks for watching, I appreciate it. The next, I'm gonna get the Fit2C lipo battery for next time, and I'll hit the beach and try and jump it some more. But that was kind of cool that the boat came back and let me jump the wake a little bit. But this thing is full of water right now, so I got to empty it out. But thanks for watching. Until next time.